2013 Kia Optima and inside 2.4 ABS control module replacement. First time you remove the air filter. And remove the connect PCM. And remove the connect. Remove this bowl here, and remove bowl here. Remove the connect. This one, and remove the whole brake. This one and this one, and remove the two bowl. This one, and remove the connect and bottom the hole. And remove the hole here. And take off the ABS control module. And you put the ABS control module, tighten this bowl, and this bowl, and put the connect. Put the filter. Thank you for you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.